Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lisa if you're new. So glad that you're joining me today. Justin wants a fried chicken sandwich, kind of like a Chick-fil-A with the toasted butter bun with just pickles and a little bit of mayonnaise on his. So I thought I'd show you guys how I make it. It's really good and super easy. So all I have here is just some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. It's a little over a pound. There's 5 of them here. So I'm going to lay out some parchment paper, and I'm going to take my rolling pin and kind of flatten them out thin. Okay, I lost audio. My microphone came unplugged from my camera. So right now I'm just going to lay them out and put another piece of parchment paper on top of them and take the rolling pin, flatten them out. I'm going to try to get them all to about the same thickness so they'll cook evenly. I'm going to add 1 egg to the bowl and just kind of beat it up with a little whisk. Usually 1 egg is plenty for 5 or 6 chicken thighs. If you feel that you need a little bit more, you can add just a little bit of water to your egg. It works just as well. Okay, and I am going to use the House Aldrey. We use the medium hot. We like a little bit of spice to our chicken, a little bit of heat, but we also, when the children are over, we use the regular. And if I run out of medium hot, you can add a little bit of cayenne pepper to it, and it tastes almost identical. You can't really tell the difference. All right, I'm going to go ahead and add some vegetable oil to my pan. And I usually fry these on like medium high. Just depends on your stove and how hot it gets. And I ended up frying these for 4 minutes per side. Okay, I moved everything over on the countertop close to my stove. Kind of made a little assembly line. So I'm going to start by placing the chicken in the egg. And then I'm going to place it over into the mixture, the House Aldrey mix. And I had saw this on Food Network where you take the breading or the flour mixture and you really pat it on your chicken really well on both sides, and it kind of gives it a crispier crust. So ever since I saw that on Food Network, that's the way I've always done it. So it's always turned out good. So not sure if it makes a big difference or not, but that's why you'll see me in here. I'm constantly like patting the flour mixture into the chicken. Oh, I wish you guys could smell the kitchen, how good this chicken smells. And as you can see, I have like a little wire rack. I'm going to lay the chicken on top of the wire rack because I want the chicken to stay crispy. Okay, I'm going to slide the oil back off of the burner while I am preparing the rest of the chicken. That way the oil can cool down a little bit and it won't kind of, if it's too hot, it'll cook the breading, it'll kind of burn the breading, and then the inside of the chicken will still be raw. So in between batches, I kind of like let it cool down just a little bit. I was able to get these chicken thighs on sale. They were regular right at $9 for the pack, and the manager had marked them down for a quick sale, so I ended up paying about $5.25 for them, so a little over $1 a chicken thigh. So that's a pretty good deal. Maybe we could call this dinner on a budget. Okay, the chicken thighs are all done. They're nice and crispy on both sides. I went ahead and got out the hamburger buns, some butter, my pickles, and Duke's mayonnaise. I actually got these buns at Food Lion for, I know that it was less than $2. We don't eat, or try not to eat, a lot of bread, so my favorite buns are the potato buns, but I mean, they're like almost $5 for a pack of 8. And if we don't eat them, I hate to throw them away because they go bad so quickly. I have my oven on high on broil, so I'm going to add some butter to the inside of each bun and then broil it. And make sure you keep a close eye on it because you will burn it if you step away for a minute. Okay, now that they're out of the oven, I'm going to add my Duke's mayonnaise to my bun. I'm going to add my chicken and a little bit of pickles, and that's pretty much it. Salt, pepper, and it is so good. It's absolutely super, super easy and super delicious. Now, doesn't that look just as good as Chick-fil-A's? It's still going to be a little while before Justin gets home from work, so I'm going to turn my oven on 180 degrees, pop them in the oven. They'll stay nice and crispy, nice and warm until he gets home. They won't dry out. I'll usually leave them in there up till like an hour and a half or so, and they've always been fine. So, and when I bit into that chicken sandwich, I can tell you it was so tender and so juicy. It's absolutely delicious, and it doesn't get any easier than that, folks. It's so good. I had to run and get a napkin because the chicken is so juicy. But anyway, let me know what you guys are having for dinner tonight, and also let me know if you're going to try this recipe, or if you, after you try it, comment back on my video. Let me know how you like it. If you like these types of videos, and I also put up some cleaning videos and shopping videos, I'd love for you to be a part of my YouTube family. Click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future uploads, and I will see you guys soon. Y'all take care. Bye.